Hi everybody, happy January. It's Miss Deb at the library. And for today's DIY tween, we're gonna make a pinecone owl. Probably you've seen some owls out in the trees this winter, but anyway, isn't he cute? I think he's adorable. So we have kits that have all of the supplies that you're gonna need to make this, but what you'll get is a pinecone, and you'll get all the felt parts of the owl, and we have googly eyes, and we have fluff, stuffing that you can use to put like snow on your owl. Now, Elmer's glue will probably work best, and we don't have enough to give everybody Elmer's glue, but if you have Elmer's glue at home, use Elmer's glue. What we can give you are glue dots. We will put some in the packet for you, or you could try a glue stick. I'm going to use the glue dots just so you can see how that would work. So you just peel the glue piece off, and the first thing I'm going to do is put on the owl's face. So I'm going to put a little glue dot behind the felt, and then I'm going to find the front that I want, where I want his face to be. And I'm going to stick that little glue dot right on there. And then I'm going to take the wings and I'm going to put another glue dot on each of the wings. And I'm going to try to stick those kind of in the pine cone. You need to be a little gentle because the pine cones are brittle and they could break. The tips could break off, but all right. And I'm going to put another one on the other side. I'm going to grab that. Okay. So he's got his wings and his face. And then I'm going to put another glue dot here, and that makes up his little wise old face there. And glue that right onto the brown piece, and then another glue dot for his little beak. All right, so that there. Oops, it's sticking to my hand. All right, so there we go. That's his little beak. And then some of the googly eyes say they have self-stick stuff on the back, but I'm going to use just a little bit of glue stick to just try and see if that works, to just glue it right onto his little face. So you've got a little glue there. Whoops, I'm going to put it right here and press hard. Oh, that seemed to work. So glue stick could work for the felt as well. Whoops, oh dear, all right. Okay, and we'll put the other eye over here. So there's his little face. And then this is where the Elmer's glue would work the best. You just take some fluff and you put a little glue right inside one of the pine cone there, and you can stuff some in just anywhere that you want. Okay, let's see, I'll put a little bit more on. All right, a little bit more fluff. That keeps it in there. So, yeah. All right, so let's see. Put a little bit up here. So fluff that in. And you can go around, you could put as much fluff as you want in, just to give him the effect of he's kind of in the snow there. So there he is. What do you think? So if you would like one of these kits, we have them all together for you. Just give us a call at the library and we'll put one together for you, and Mom and Dad can come and pick it up curbside. Thanks for watching.